This is Maya. Let's get into it. You connected an MCP server to your agent so it could actually do things. Query a database, send an email, update a record, 5 minutes of setup. It worked. You moved on. Here is what most teams miss. The moment you connect that server, your agent can call every tool it exposes, not the one tool you had in mind. All of them. MCP is a protocol for giving models access. It is a good protocol. It standardizes how an agent reaches a database, an email system, an API, but it was built to give access, not to govern it. So when the agent gets a confusing input or a prompt injection slips through, it can invoke a tool you never intended. Update a record it should only have read. Send a message it should never have sent. And here is the part that should worry you. You have no log of which tools it called or with what arguments. Think about what you actually did. You did not give your agent a single capability. You handed it a master key to every tool on that server and kept no record of which doors it opened. In testing, that feels fine. The agent calls the one tool you expected. In production, with real inputs, real edge cases, real adversarial prompts, the agent reaches for tools you never planned to expose it to. So what does good look like? 2 things MCP does not give you by default: scoping and logging. Scoping means each agent is granted access only to the specific tools it needs and the specific actions it is allowed to take. Read, but not write. Look up a record, but not delete it. An agent built to answer questions does not get the tool that issues refunds. Logging means every single tool call is recorded. Which tool, what arguments, whether it was inside the granted scope, and what happened. So when an agent tries to write to a record it was only allowed to read, the attempt is blocked, and the block is logged. You see it, you can tune it. Nothing happens in the dark. MCP gives your agent reach. That is the easy part. Scoping and logging decide whether that reach is safe. That is the part nobody sets up in the 5-minute version. So before you connect another server, ask one question. For every agent connected to it, do you know exactly which tools it can call, and do you have a log of every call it made? If the answer is no, you did not integrate a tool. You opened a door and walked away. If this sounded like a setup you have running right now, share it with the person who needs to hear it. See you next time.